a different designer item each day and talk about it. Like to show you different ones from Gucci to Louis Vuitton, Hermes, Chanel, and everything in between. Today we're talking about this Gucci Marmont bag. This is a very, very popular bag the last couple of years. It has this really cool chevron pattern on the front and then a bronze GG Marmont logo. This one is kind of like almost like a blush meets nude. So it's like a toned down blush, but it is pink. This one has a cute little tassel zipper pull. It opens up to a gray suede interior with a slip pocket right here. And then it also has a really cool gold tone chain, but also leather strap. This is a crossbody bag and it is a little bit adjustable. Here's how it falls on me. So it is a really good medium size everyday crossbody bag. You can find this bag and all of our other items on our website, milkhoneycollection.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below what you thought of this Gucci Marmont bag.